Alright, this is Lisa, Blue Star Minis, and we have Baby Spring here. Baby Spring is a toy mini Aussiedoodle. I'm thinking she's going to be around 10 to 15 pounds. She is a red Merle. Yes. Yes. Show them how pretty you are. Yes. Say my puppy nickname is Spring. Yes. Say I have blue eyes and I'm pretty sure she's going to keep those blue eyes. Yes. Show them in there. Yeah. The blue eyes, they're so pretty. Yes. So, let's tell you a little bit about our Baby Spring here. Baby Spring is approximately, what, I think 5 weeks old now? Going on 6? Yeah, she's 6. Anyways, little girl. She has a nice coat with just a little bit of wave in it. You know, so it's not going to be real curly or anything. It'll just have a nice little wave to it. As they get older, like next week, it'll be a little, you'll see a little bit more wave. She has a very sweet personality. She is a very, very happy little girl. That tail just wags, wags, wags. Huh. Say, I'm a tail wagger. Yes. She loves sharing kisses. Huh. Say, my mom and daddy's had all their genetic health testing done. Yeah. Yep. Because mama and daddy need to be healthy. So I can be healthy. Yes. So I can have a healthy start. Yes. Huh. That's a pretty girl. See, there goes that tail. I'm just a pretty little girl. Yes, I am. I'm just a pretty little girl. Yes. Say, I will be ready to leave at 8 weeks old. So you can see me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah. Blue Star Minis, which is our website. Yes. Huh. Say, I'm just a happy little girl. Yes. Yes. Say, I'm a sweetheart. Show them that face of yours. Yes. She is a lover. What else? So she'll be ready to leave me at 8 weeks old. She leaves me with what I call a puppy love bag. Dad will have her shot record, deworming record, some toys, a baby blanket that's got mama's scent and my scent on it. Yes. Yep. A couple chewy things in there. Huh. Yes. 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 Look at that. Look at that cute little face. Yes. 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 Huh. Yep. She is a sweetheart. So go to my website and check her out. Check out the information. You can see mama and daddy on there too. Yes. Okay. Miss Spring, you ready? Huh? You tell them bye-bye? You tell them bye-bye? Huh? Say, I'm a pretty Aussiedoodle. Yes. Yes, I am. Very loving. Yep. She's gonna be a little lover. Yeah. Say bye-bye.